we're back with another video. If you're new, hey, I post haul videos, DIYs, get ready with me, all that. So please subscribe, watch the videos. Yeah, you won't be disappointed. But today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. Sorry, I just woke up. But today's a Dollar Tree haul. We have so many new finds. So let's like this video, share this video, let's get these views up. I don't know what's going on lately, but we got all new stuff, so let's jump into it. So first off, we got these new keychains. Like, are we kidding? How cute are these? Bag charms. So we have the Heinz ketchup bottle, which is iconic. So we have that one that I just dropped. We have the blue, or I don't think it says the flavor, but the icy. We have the mac and cheese. We have the ring bop. We have the pickles. And I think that's it. Yeah. Oh no. And then the bazooka. So these are pretty nice. I saw so many DIYs already on TikTok about them, so definitely gonna try some of those. Then we got some more new mini notebooks. So you get 4 in a pack, and these are the 4 that you get, and I love these for journaling, DIYing, whatever. So you get these 4. Then we have this set. How cute are those? My favorite one's coming up. Cherries. This set. I'm obsessed with this one. And then this set. So there's those. Then we have the new hand sanitizer cases with a little charm on them. I don't know how many they're going to come out with. I'm not complaining, but I can't keep up at this point. Like, I have so many now because they just keep coming out. But I think these are so cute. So we got that. Then they bringing back the sticks. So this is the blush revitalizing stick in raspberry. I live for these. I think they put make the greatest face makeup. I don't know what I'm trying to say. But we have raspberry. On to the next. Then we have some orb stretchy animals, the gorillas. So we have the purple gorilla squishy and the blue gorilla squishy. So for $1.75, not bad, honestly. So I'm not complaining about that. Then we got the SpongeBob little 4-piece meal prep containers, because these are great for like when you're in a rush and you have to throw together a quick meal. So we got that. Then we got the Makeup Puff sponge with the little reusable case. I'm gonna see. I actually want to see what this looks like, honestly. I know it sounds stupid. But, so here's our little puff. Oh, okay. Here's the puff. It's very small, but okay, that is cute. So worth it. Then we got the blush stick in rose. So we have raspberry and rose. I'm pretty sure there's another shade. Okay, no, this one's rose. My receipt. Then we got another case. Then I got some shoe liners, because this one is a pack of 2, which is always great, and these are essential. Then we got the bronzer stick in soft tan. The bronzer one is my ultimate favorite. I love this freaking thing. This is great. So we got that. Then we got, I'm just digging into the bag. We got the highlighter stick in champagne. Wonder what made them bring these back. I'm not complaining. And then we have the new Princess little lip glosses with the keychain. So this is Rapunzel. How cute is that though? The little keychain. You can do so many DIYs. That's what I think about whenever they come out with this stuff. It's like, oh, what DIY can I do? And then we got the highlighter stick in golden. Let's say golden. Yeah, golden. Then we got these little scrunchies. How cute are those? Then we got some shoe charms to go on my bags, my hand sanitizer cases, everything. So we got these ones. Then we got another squishy gorilla, and this one's gold. These are very squishy, I'll say that. So I'm still on the hunt for the other squishy stuff, like the cheese and stuff that everyone's finding on TikTok. I've yet to find that. And then the other set of hair ties. So yeah, we're on to the next bag now. Then we got the Mystic Tide scented tie-dye hand sanitizer. I'm obsessed with this one. We got that one. Then we got the gel. I forget who this is. Lip gloss. Oh, how cute is that though? With the little like thing. So we got that. Then we got the new little silicone straw holders. I love these things. So we got these. Then we got Ariel with the little seashell. How cute. And then we got the nighttime hair serum overnight hydration treatment for all hair types. I cannot wait to use this. So that is that. Okay, so we got some new stuff finally. So we have the Spa Essentials Perfect Radiance Brightening Face Mask. How precious. Then we have the Beauty Intuition Sweet Like Sugar Hydrating Sheet Mask in Pistachio. Like, I'm super stoked for this, honestly. That one. Then we have Beauty Intuition Bake Me Beautiful Vanilla Frosting Scented. Then I got another pistachio because I'm so intrigued with this one. And then I got two of the cinnamon roll scented. I'm super excited for these, honestly. So I got those. Then my cat is eyeing it down. We got this little cat teaser toy, and it's Garfield and whoever that is. Sorry, I don't know. But, so it's a cat teaser toy. She's eyeing it down right now. Then I got another pack of these Skintimate reusable makeup remover pads. I do like these, so I'm taking these to the beach with me. Then I got another tinted lip balm in Bunny Fuchsia. I really like this one. So, got that one. Then got another hand sanitizer case. I don't know why. I feel like every time I go, I get one. I don't need this many. So, got that. Then we got the Silky Lip Cream in Rose Whisper. I feel like I have this, but I didn't know. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to get it because I love this shade. Like, how pretty is that? So we got that. Then I got the Pore Patrol Berry Blast Clarifying Skin Toner. So I'm actually going to use this after I shower today, and I'm going to use like this whole collection. So we're going to see how that works. So we got that. Then I'm just pulling stuff out. Oh, this is from Target. I got this duck. Add it to my collection. There it is. So a lot of stuff got just thrown together. Then I got the Soothing Facial Oil from the same collection. Then, finally, I found this. It's the Cooling Foot Lotion. Beat the heat with cool feet. Results in 3 minutes. Targets aches and pains. So, yeah, definitely excited to try this. Then we got, what is this? Oh, I finally found the other Care Bear. So I have Grumpy, and now I have Cheer Bear. So I'm so excited because, yeah, I've been trying to find the other ones, and I couldn't. So now, finally, okay, she's really stuck in the package. Finally found it. So yeah, we got Cheer Bear, and we have Grumpy Bear. So super cute. Then, sorry, I have this huge bag, and I'm just reaching into it. Oh, we're stuck. Then we got the Prolux foundation in shell. Like I said, I love this foundation, and yeah, so I'm taking this on vacation because shell, beach, you know. Then, oh yeah, I got another squishy ball in blue. I showed that in the last haul. Then I got the Le Mercier lip in, I don't know what shade this is, but I swear it used to say it on top, and it doesn't. So I feel like, I don't know, but it's a really pretty shade. So we got that, and I love a lip stain. And then, reaching in again, we got the Clean Beauty Glow Foundation in Nude. I wanted to try this. I've seen this on TikTok. So we got that. Okay, then we got some new Crap Hotel little DIY keychains. So we have these colors. Super cute. I love those. And the other ones are down somewhere. Then we have the Spothecary Island Hibiscus Hair and Body Mist. This smells so summery. I love it. Then we got the Skincare Balancing Toner Spray. Again, I live for this collection. Got that for the beach. Then we got the Bronzer Revitalizing Stick in Soft Tan. I love these sticks. I think they are so good. So we got Soft Tan. Then the other set of hotel keychains. That color. Then we got a new pen. Scent. I did not know these were scented. So this one's lemon. And then, oh, my cat sees it. We got another cat teaser toy. And this one is SpongeBob. How cute is that? We have that. Then found another set of the Fruity Pebble cosmetic brushes. So I snagged those immediately. Again, because they were so cute. Then I did get one of these multi-purpose lights because these are fantastic. So got that. Just super random. Then the other set of hotel keychains look like this. Got those ones. Then got a Stretchy Food secret menu, and it's literally just a hamburger. So got that. Then we got the Polyjuice Serum Hydrate and Boost Serum. So it looks like they really packaged it, I'll tell you that. It just looks like this. So that's that. Then the last set of new keychains are that. Oh, I just showed that. Sorry. Then we have these shoe charms. So cute. These are from Target. Straw toppers. Then we got, just pulling stuff out of the bag. It's like a mystery. This is the, I don't, did I show this one already? That one. Then got the Makeup Melting Lava Oil Cleanser. I cannot talk. Got that. Then I just showed those. I'm literally all over the place. Then the other scented pen is the Strawberry. How cute. I did not know they were scented till literally I just read it. And then we got the Cherry. So Cherry, Strawberry, and Lemon are the pens. I don't think there's any more. I'm looking at this bag. Then we got, I'm trying to find, I see it and I can't get it. We got the Strawberry Peach Hair and Body Mist. And then the last one is down, of course, at the bottom of the bag, is the Coastal Capri. So those are the 3 of those. So yeah. Okay, the last couple things. We got the Just for Girls Lip Melt in Peachy Keen. I feel like these have been out for a while. Then we got the Scented Lip Melt in Cherry Bomb. Then the last thing is the Highlighter Revitalizing Stick. I can't talk. In Golden. So yeah, that completes this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely don't forget to subscribe, share the channel, watch this video, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.